IEBC Chairperson Wafula Chebukati, the four have accused Chebukati of sidelining them and running a one-man show as the country waited to know its fifth president, describing the results announced as Chebukati's and not the Commission's. And as David Mudhoka reports, the latest attacks from the four towards Chebukati seems to widen the split in the Commission barely a month after it was fully constituted, with lawyers divided over its implication on Ruto's victory.
Barely 24 hours after the four IEBC commissioners walked out on the announcement of William Ruto as the president-elect, terming the process used to reach at it as opaque, IEBC Vice Chair Juliana Cherera, Commissioners Irene Masit, Francis Wanderi, and Justus Nyang'aya have not looked back. Today, the four defending their decision to distance themselves from the announcement done by IEBC Chair Wafula Chebukati on Monday evening that saw Ruto declared the winner with 7,176,141 votes, Raila Odinga second with 6,942,930 votes, George Wajakoya third with 61,969 votes, and Maure Wahiga fourth with 31,987 votes.
Yale mahesabu hayaingiani. Ni vipi unaweza kusema umepata asilimia 100.01? Sote tulienda shule na tukiangalia 0.01, ukiangalia katika valid votes, hiyo ni kura 1,140.
Kenyans were quick to call out on the mathematical absurdity claim put forward by the commissioners, poking holes on the accuracy of the 0.01% being a representation of 142,000 votes, and that 0.01% of the vote in fact translates to 1,400 votes. The four have further said that the declaration was done before the announcement from all constituencies had been done, and that Chebukati in the final announcement did not indicate the total votes cast, valid votes and rejected votes.
We know that because Professor Ngurie was carrying the files to go and announce those results before Mr. Chebukati announces the presidential results.
Accusing Chebukati of sidelining them and suspecting foul play, the commissioners have said that the IEBC chair only told them of the final results minutes to the declaration, contrary to standard procedure.
What was announced, we are not taking ownership because it was not brought to our attention to look at them, analyze them, process them as it is required, even in the legislation.
Some of the issues that the political parties had raised, and he said that I will deal with that, and they never dealt with that.
While they insist that their alleged omission from the process renders it null and void, some legal experts agree that it is grounds enough for nullification of DP William Ruto's victory.
In the conduct of the affairs of the commission, they should, if they can have unanimous decision, or in the event it's not unanimous, then it's a majority.
However, through his Twitter account, lawyer Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi stated that apart from Chebukati, other commissioners had no role in the presidential election, implying that Chebukati did no wrong. But what does the law say regarding the conduct of the business and affairs of the commission? The second schedule of the IEBC Act stipulates in Section 7 that unless a unanimous decision is reached, a decision on any matter before the commission shall be by a majority of the members present and voting. Similarly, Article 138 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 on procedure of a presidential election stipulates that after counting the votes in the polling stations, the IEBC shall tally and verify the count, and that the chairperson shall declare the results and deliver a written notification of the result to the Chief Justice and the incumbent president. The apparent split in the commission comes barely 11 months after the four commissioners were sworn in, making IEBC fully constituted. For 3 years, the commission had been run by three commissioners, Wafula Chebukati, Abdi Guliye, and Boya Molu, after four commissioners unceremoniously quit IEBC following a fallout in the commission. David Mudhoka, KTN News.
All right, that's a good place to try and break down the figures. And tonight we speak to Professor Anthony Waititu Gishuhi. He is the chairperson of the Department of Statistics and Actuarial Sciences and also the acting dean, School of Mathematics and